Daniel walks into a friend's house. Anita is sitting in the living room scrolling through her phone.
Hi, I don't think we've met before.
No, we haven't. I'm Anita.
I'm Daniel.
Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you too. Look at this picture from our trip.
Wow, that was such a great day.
Daniel and Anita talk for a while.
Can I have your number? I'd like us to stay in touch.
Sure.
Guy, you've been smiling since morning. Waiting happen. I met someone yesterday. Already? You don't fall? I don't know yet, but I want to know her better. Just make sure she's with you because of you, not because of what you have. She's different. I can feel it.
Anita visits Daniel for the first time.
I'm really happy you came.
Your place is nice.
Can I ask you something?
Go ahead.
Would you like us to be more than friends?
Yes.
Daniel starts showing Anita love, buy her a lot of gifts.
Another gift? Daniel!
Open it.
Are you serious?
Anything that makes you smile is worth it.
Your boyfriend spends money like water. Daniel likes taking care of me. Don't lose this one. Why would I?
Business wasn't going well for Daniel. Some of his goods had spoiled, and customers were no longer buying from him.
You've been looking worried these days. Business isn't moving. It's just a season. I hope so.
Things have changed. How? He doesn't take me out anymore. Have you asked him what's happening? He said business is slow. Then support him.
You've been avoiding my calls.
I've just been busy.
No, something is wrong.
Daniel,
Tell me. Anita, please talk to me.
I'm struggling in this relationship.
What do you mean?
I don't think this relationship is working anymore.
So that's it?
I'm sorry.
She left? I'm sorry. I gave her everything I could. Then don't stop living, because one person walked away. You're right. I'll focus on myself.
I saw Daniel with a new car today. Yes. People say his business is doing really well now. You actually left a good man because times became hard. I didn't think things would change. Then fix your mistake before another woman does. Hi, Daniel. I've been thinking about us. I'm sorry for everything. Can we please talk?
Maybe everyone deserves a second chance. Okay, let's meet tomorrow.
Thank you for agreeing to see me.
Let's start over.
One decision they were about to make would change both of their lives forever.
She has returned to him. You never learn, Anita. Every man who chooses you believes he has found love, but none of them knows who truly owns your heart. Daniel, you have just signed your own downfall. Enjoy your happiness while it lasts. Everything you have will begin to crumble.